3D models are considered one of the 5 types of base media scenes within ThingLink. However, the editing interface for those 3D models will look different than that of 2D images, 360 images, and so forth. To open the editor for a 3D model, locate it within the media dashboard, drag your cursor over top the thumbnail, and select the ... icon on the top right. In the pop-up menu, you'll now select Edit. Once it's open, you'll see that you only have 2 options for editing preferences. The first one is going to be a little camera icon with a square surrounding it on the top left corner. What this icon does is it sets the initial view for your 3D model. So you'll notice when I opened this screen, the Hulk here is facing the left. Let's say I wanted him to be facing head on. I could just click and drag in an empty space surrounding the model and change my view so now he's looking at us straight on. And now I can select that camera icon on the top left. And now that's setting the initial view, so when you share this content out, this will be the first thing that they see. Now we want to add our tags. How you want to add the tag is you just want to click anywhere on the model. You can add text, so I could just say, this is the Incredible Hulk. And I can select the check mark to save it. And then once it's added, you'll see if I drag my cursor over top, it works similar to a text label in a 2D image or 360 media. If I wanted to delete that tag, I could just select it and then select the trash can and then hit OK. If you want to add a different type of label, once again, just select anywhere on your model. And then on the bottom left of this text box window, you'll want to click the plus sign. From there, all these different options for uploading images, uploading videos, adding YouTube links, adding iframes or embedding iframes, adding other URL links, uploading a file, or uploading audio will appear. Select whichever type of media that you want to embed in this model, and from there, you'll just follow the instructions on the screen. Unlike other base media, you will be limited on the style and formatting options for your tags. To customize the tags and the background color of your model, navigate up to the top left and select Customize. In this window, you'll see you have different icon options, multiple icon colors, and then you can select the scene background color to be whatever that you wish. Keep in mind that there is not yet any customizability for these tag icons, and you are limited to these options alone. Once you select what you want, then you'll come down here and click Save, and now you can move on to the next tag or the next project.